Okay, now we're going to have a look at the HAV jib for the on main boom for the AC 500/2. Got the crane in the environment. There's already a load to be lifted, so we're ready to go. Let's go to cranes, main, HAV fixed jib, and start it up. And we get the nil reply indicating that the executable loaded properly, so we're good. Have a look at OSNAPs, make sure everything is off. Unclick anything that you see active on that object snap tab or 3D object snap tab, and then hit OK. Now we can go ahead and configure. So we'll go back to main again, HAV, and configure. And we'll choose 124.3, use a 59 length HAV jib, 20 degrees to start, and let's be at 90 feet radius with 85-foot hook height. And let's look from a southwest isometric, and the crane appears to have configured properly. Look at it from a side view, looking good. Look at it from a top view, radius dead on the money, looks good. And looking at our layers, we see there's a J load layer. We'll double click on it to make it current. And then we'll go to a southwest isometric again, and we'll go to cranes, HAV, and we'll use the go to command, and we'll pick a node point in the top of that rigging there and efficiently connect right up to the payload with the rigging. And now we can do CHPROP, grab that payload, put it on a different layer called AC 502 JLoad, and confirm. And that's all we want to change, so we hit enter one more time. And now hopefully when we raise the hook, HAV J-hook elevation up to 120 feet, the payload goes with it. Looks good. Let's test out the rest of our commands. I believe they all begin with AC5, so that's kind of a shortcut for us. And RT will rotate the carrier, avoid a fire hydrant or what have you. AC5 again, something with J move. Yep. We'll pick up the crane, the payload, and everything and move it wholesale. That looks good. We'll undo that. To swing, we'll use AC5, something with ROT in it. Yep, there we go. J-rot, jib rotate. Looks good. And now we can AC5 again, and something with up down. Yep, jib up down. And we're at 100 feet after that go to. Let's bring it back to 80 feet radius. Yep, a little sharper boom angle. We're at 62. And let's see, what else can we do? Moving rapidly through the commands already. We can do a telescope, and we're at 124. Let's go out to almost 170 foot of boom, and let's be at 90 foot radius. And that worked well. Let's pan down. Crane looks good. And HAV again. We can do a jib change. Let's go to, we're at 59. Let's go to 79, 40, And we're almost at 120. Let's make it even. 120 and 120 foot hook height. And now we need to move that payload, and we'll use the node point in the top of the rigging, and we'll connect to the node point in the hook there. And let's see what else we got. Where are we? Right there. Okay. HAV, and we did the go-to already. The angle is just like the jib change, so we don't need to do that. If we want to add a main hook, let's put it at 55, do our thing, and then promptly remove it. HAV, remove main hook. Okay, and now the last thing to do is to go ahead and spin the hook. HAV, and just like a tagline on it. So everything is working properly with the HAV jib on main boom. Thank you.